Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we are going to do the sound test of the MI active noise cancelling headphones. Now these are headphones which have active noise cancellation in them. Now this does not cancel out the noise that you hear or the sound that you hear. Like if you're on a phone call on the other side, you will not be able to hear any difference in the sound, but it will change the sound. Seriously. Okay, so so ANC doesn't work, so you heard that. So ANC is responsible for cancelling out the sound around you and cancelling that out for you. So when you are hearing, it's going to cancel out the sound which is around you. So I'm going to try making you listen to how it's going to cancel out the sound later on. But it's not going to be helpful for regular phone calls for anyone on the other side of the line, but it's going to be helpful for you. So let's go ahead and start the test. So the first test is without the helmet. So I'm going to ride the bike without the helmet, then with the helmet with the visor open, and then the helmet closed. So in the three tests, there will be wind interference, the helmet sound, the echoes, all that will be tested. So let's go ahead and start the test. Okay, so we are riding the bike without the helmet. Now you should be getting a lot of the wind sound. Now I have kept the noise cancellation off, so it's off right now. Now as soon as I put it on, I get more wind sound inside because the active noise cancellation is trying to cancel out the sound, but with wind sound it's not that good. So I have to keep it off. So wind sound is no go. Let me wear the helmet. So even in slow speeds, I can hear a lot of wind. Now, the scenario totally changes when you're wearing a helmet, because when you're wearing a helmet, the earphone is inside and the mic is covered. So the mic does not get any wind at all. So since it does not get any wind, it starts cancelling out the sound outside and it makes it pretty silent. So if I put this on now, then wow, I can just hear a little bit of my bike sound. Other than that, I can't hear anything. So that's dangerous if you're trying to ride a bike and using this. So right now it's on. I don't know if you're, yeah, so you see the blue light on. So do not do this. Do not use the active noise cancelling headphone while you're riding. You will not be able to hear the traffic properly. Now let's see how the mic performs. Now the mic is still out here. It's a very small mic. It's a little rounded. So I don't know how will it be against wind, but let's see. So now let's go ahead and close the helmet now and see how the sound is. So once you close the helmet, there will be echo created which will travel down, and then you should be able to hear me better. But it depends on where the mic is placed. So the mic is placed right here. So it's not too low, not too high, just right. So I think you should be able to hear me well in this earphone. So let's go ahead and go to the mall now and do the mall test. Basically, I don't know whether I should do the water test or not, because water sound is not really a big problem anymore. So I think I should skip that one. So we are doing the noise cancellation test, actually mic test of the noise cancelling earphone. Now the noise cancellation is off. I'll put it on now. Really hard to put it on with one hand. Okay, so it's on. Now the sound has been dampened. A lot of the background sound is missing now for me. But one thing you need to realize is noise cancelling earphones doesn't mean that it will cancel out the sound on the mic, as in what the other person hears. It's just for you. So this one does not cancel the sound uh, for the other person who is going to be on the other line. Like if you're calling, it's not going to be cancelling the sound for them. So we're walking inside the mall now. Let's see how much can we hear. There's a lot of voice, a lot of sound around, but should be able to hear. Okay, so we're going to cross the traffic now. There's a lot of traffic, a lot of people. Now the sun is behind me, so you would be getting a little bit of glare. No one wants to stop. Hopefully you're able to hear me. Okay, so you've seen the video. Now the earphone is pretty good actually. It's not that bad. It's something different because you do not have complete noise isolation in any of the earphones. Some or other sound leaks in. Now what this does is that whatever that small sound leaks in, that's what it's cancelling. It's not cancelling out everything. So for example, if you're in a room, like if you're in a party, there are drums, as in if you're in a club and there's loud music going on, it will not cancel out the loud music, it will just cancel out the highs and lows. So that's all that it cancels out, because those are the ones which creeps in more. The mids are not that much of a problem. So if you I've tried making a video where I can record the sound that you hear, but because of the audio update I can't do that anymore. The clips that you've seen are from my 3-4 attempts. I don't make one video. I actually test the earphone 3-4 times before I actually make a final one. I was supposed to make a final one, but because of the audio update I could not make it. So that's why you're seeing the older clips. That's why I look also different than that. So anyways, so earphone sound wise excellent. If you are a bass head, you'll not be that happy with this. This is not a bass head series headphone. This comes close to the Pro HD one. So if you this is HD sound earphone, so the sound quality is for high definition hearing because it has digital input. It's not an analog input. No pins. 3.5 mm pins. So this sound that comes out from this is very clear. So everything that you hear will be crisp. There is bass, but the low end is missing. So if you like low end bass, you'll not be very happy with this. I'm okay with this because of the noise cancellation. Because when the noise cancellation is done, then I can put the volume to a lower level and hear the music nicely. But when there's no noise cancellation, I want to remove the background sound, then I have to put the volume high. So this helps you in that. The mics on this, now when I'm talking about mics are picking up sound, mics are picking up sound with the helmet, I'm talking about these mics. So the earphone itself has two mics, one over here, one over here. The third one is for your voice. So active noise cancellation works in a different way. Now there are headphones which cancels out the sound and sends that clear sound to the person who is on the other line. That's a different kind of a noise cancellation. This one is for you. So it cancels out the sound around you and gives you a clearer sound. So you can feel the difference even when you're not listening to music. Just put this on. Don't put in any music. Just put on the noise cancellation and then you'll feel the difference around you. I can't really make you hear it. You'll have to experience it in one of the MI stores. You can go over there. It's already kept on one side. If you have a Type-C phone, you can just put it in and then try it out for yourself. So all in all, excellent earphone. Bass heads will not really like it that much. So I've been getting this question a lot about bass or not, if it's got enough bass. If you are trying to compare it with bass head series, no, it's not for you. If you're trying to compare it with the Sony bass series earphones, extra bass earphones, then this is not for you. So this is not a bass heavy earphone. It has bass but not enough for bass heads. Everything else is good. Treble, sound, everything is good. Yes, the shocking problem. Now this shorts that I'm wearing, I don't know if you can see, for some reason the top pocket, it doesn't shock me. But if I put it in the bottom pocket, then it gets enough of space. This nylon, with this nylon, when it rubs, it creates a static which goes right to your ears. So I've been getting shocked. So I have to put my phone in the top pocket, not in the bottom one. So this will be a problem that you will face, especially if you wear nylon clothing to the gym or for jogs or anything. This will give you shocks. With cotton cotton t-shirts, cotton pants, cotton shorts, it doesn't have any problem at all. So that's it. That's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment. And I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.